open waters from Little Neck Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until noon. At 10:35 a.m., showers capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 13 nautical miles north of Marina Shores at New Harbor to Burns Harbor, leaving south at 29. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can create locally hazardous seas. Small crafts can be damaged from briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Michigan City, Burns Harbor, and Marina Shores at New Harbor. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Seek safe harbor immediately. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Pennswater, Michigan. The current time is 10.